Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to take one of these and turn it into a crocheted velvet scrunchie. You're going to start out by tying your yarn to the hair tie. Tie it once and then go back and double knot it. Be sure the tail of the yarn is to your left. Grab your crochet hook and go into the circle and behind and grab some yarn. Pull it around there and chain one. And now we are going to half double crochet around. To half double crochet, you're going to grab some yarn and go into the circle, grab some yarn and come around. You have 3 loops on your hook, grab some yarn and go through all 3 loops. And that's a half double crochet. It's a little bit taller than a single crochet, but not quite as tall as a double crochet. Okay, I'll show you how to do that again. Grab some yarn, go into the circle, grab some yarn, come back through, 3 loops on your hook, grab some yarn and pull through all 3 loops. Be sure to hold your hair tie and your yarn together to make it easier to go around it. So half double crochet. Keep doing half double crochets until you just have a little bit of this yarn tail left. Okay, so now you just have a little tail left there. We're just going to cut that off. And then continue doing half double crochets around until you run out of room on your hair tie. And I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, see, we just have a little bit of the hair tie left. And now what I usually do is I'll take the last half double crochet here and push it back. And that gives me some more room. And then I'll place more half double crochets until we run out of space again. You can do this as many times as you want, but the more you scrunch it up, the more wavy it gets. So I'm going to push back one more time. Okay, I ran out of room again. Now I'm going to give it a gentle tug. Just to stretch that a little bit since it's new. And keep half double crocheting. Just a few more here. Okay. Now we're going to slip stitch to that very first half double crochet that we did. You're just going to insert your hook into the top of that stitch. Grab some yarn, slip through that stitch, and slip into your loop. And now we're going to chain 2. And we're going to double crochet around this. So double crochet in that same stitch. And then double crochet in each stitch around. With this velvet yarn, it's a little hard to see your stitches, so you can just kind of feel for them and find the hole that way. But you want to be sure to put a double crochet in each stitch around. So keep doing your double crochets and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, I'm at the last one here. A double crochet. And then you're going to slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. Okay. And now you're going to grab some yarn and pull it through that loop, leaving a little bit of a tail. And then you're going to cut that yarn off. And then we're going to weave this tail in and out of the top of the double crochet stitches. Earlier, when I stretched the hair tie, some of that tail came out. If you can see that, we're just going to cut that again. Okay, so take the tail of the yarn and put it through your needle. And then weave in and out. And once your needle gets full, just pull it through. Give it a little stretch there. And then weave in and out again. And then give it another little tug. And then you'll cut that piece of yarn. Stretch everything out. Okay, there's a little piece peeking out there. And a little piece here. And you may just have to go back and do this a couple of times. There's the big one. Here's the small one from my first video. Here's the medium. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Thank you for watching.